here doing a beard oil review type thing. This is it. I don't know if that will zoom in. It is from sweyn, I think it's sweyn, forkbeard. Business card is like that. It is a kind of English company with like a Viking type name. Apparently this sweyn forkbeard was the first Nordic king of England. And then on the back, look, you have thank you in lots of different languages, which I thought was a cool little thing. It's quite an interesting scent, this one. It is obviously the dropper, as is so common these days. It is really weird. I don't know if I like it or not. I bought it because it sounded quite interesting. It has all the normal essential oils like jojoba, almond oil, stuff like that. Let's see. We have vitamin E and a special formula to the company of oils, which they basically state. We have avocado oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, rosewood, which is a bit different. Normally it's sandalwood or cedarwood, but it's rosewood. Fir needle, so now it's again quite a unique one. And the main scents, that's all essential oils that give it the scent, is eucalyptus, which obviously, as you will probably be aware, has a very distinct smell. It also has peppermint and spearmint. So again, quite kind of, they get in your nose, they get really up your nose and clear your lungs out. So whether that's what it is intended to do, to kind of like give a bit of an ice, I think this was called an ice blast, Viking ice storm, it says. So I'm assuming the ice comes from the spearmint and peppermint and eucalyptus. I haven't used this yet. I've opened it and smelt it before, but I haven't actually used it before. So I don't know what the consistency is or how it is in the hand or anything. So we'll just give that a little, God, you can really smell it. It's quite, it smells a bit like polo mints, to be honest. I know that sounds a bit weird, but obviously that comes from the spearmint and peppermint. I'm not really getting the eucalyptus. Put on hair, get rid of all the rest. So that's quite non-greasy. That's left my hands are still quite dry now. So that's non-greasy. It smells quite nice. It does get up your nose and kind of go, kind of makes you want to go out and fight. But no, there's quite a nice scent. I'm like I say, I'm not getting the eucalyptus, I'm getting the fir. I'm getting the fir needles, that smells quite nice in it. The peppermint and spearmint is quite nice. It's okay in your hands. It's not the actual tube is quite a decent size, so you do get quite a bit of a decent coverage. The oil itself isn't too thick, it's not too runny, it's about standard. I say it's an English company. I don't know where they're based. I don't know if it says on here. No. They've got an Instagram, they've got Facebook, they've got Twitter, they've got Pinterest. I actually, because I follow stuff like Official Beard Tube on Instagram, and I've liked a few beard companies on Instagram, I get quite a lot of adverts for beard products and beard companies on Instagram. Mainly on the app, on mobile phone, because obviously the PC doesn't really have the adverts, but on the app on for an Android phone, it does come up with quite a lot of adverts, which is where I learnt about Mr. Snake Venom. That's where I heard about these. This was one that came up and it looked quite cool. The little logo that they've got going on, I thought it was quite cool. So I clicked on the link, saved it to my bookmarks and came onto the PC and had a proper look. The bags to do when you buy the balms, they come in quite a nice, as you can see they've got the printed logo on there, and that is quite a thick kind of sturdy bag, whereas the ones from Beard Care Club are quite flimsy. So that's one up that we've got on that. I think they do balms, I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's predominantly kind of like beard washes and oils that they do. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check them out. They do half a dozen different scents. I think they've only been going around for a few years, so they're still growing. So yeah, check them out if you're into beard stuff. And I might get some other scents from them and do more product reviews, because it's quite an unusual scent base that they've gone for in their scents. You know, it's not like they've gone for tobacco, leather, sandalwood, rose, oud. You know, they've not gone for anything typical like that. They've gone for quite kind of weird kind of things, more kind of earthy and natural. So yeah, I'll leave it here. Like, subscribe, comment, do the bell, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye.
One eternity later.
Okay, as you would have gathered, that what you just watched was quite a long time ago. My beard now is like much bigger. That's how far behind I've been. and in front kind of thing. So cause I've been like so far in front that I've let other things get in the way, and they've overtaken each other and kind of interacted. And some things I've recorded from months ago that I'm only just getting to show you, and the stuff that I've only just recorded that I'm showing you just, or I've just recorded that won't be out for months yet. Yeah, so I mean, for example, I've got my coin collection. I've recently uploaded number 7, and I've already recorded 8, 9, 10, and 11. By the time number 8 or 9 comes out, I might very well have completely finished the collection. All 12 plus the case. So, yeah, I tend to download and record videos in batches. I think I did, when I did that one that night, I think I did like a bunch of others as well. Which is why it's so far behind. And then just kind of getting to be at the forefront to be doing it. I mean, I'm recording this now on the 23rd of October. I recorded that way back when, and this itself won't go out until the 10th of November. So, you know, I don't know. I don't know whether this is a good thing or a bad thing, recording so far advanced. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think it's good that I'm recording so much stuff, or do you think I should just try and do it like a week or a few days before? I personally quite like to do it in advance, because I never know when something bad's going to happen. Like I could take a sudden dip in my mental health, or my PC could break, or I could lose connection to the internet, or, you know, lots of things can happen. And at least if I'm so far ahead, I've got something to fall back on. Granted, I'm still recording new stuff all the time. Stuff that I record and get sent out virtually straight away. Like my beard bear, like my beard care club. You know, I've finished recording that today on the 23rd. That's going to go out in 5 days' time. So that's not too bad. But yeah, it's all it's a bit chaotic. I don't know, a bit chaotic and mixed up. But anyway, hope you've enjoyed that little review. As you can tell, I think I've improved things much and quite a bit since I've recorded that. Again, if you have, or if you don't think I have, or whatever, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. I think that was done in the early hours of the morning. So yeah, it's all a bit weird at the moment. I'll see you all in the video. Bye.